Hey guys, it's Key and it's Key Life Trading. Thanks for tuning in to another video. So today is day 24 of the small account challenge, and we're gonna be doing another live trading session, right? So I'll only be trading for an hour. So if I catch something within the hour, I will record it and I'll show you guys. So hopefully we get something sweet. So far, I'm looking at MOTS. It's holding up very strong. And when the market open, once I see it set up, I'll start back this the video up, and then we'll record it, and hopefully we get a good trade. So I'll be back. Stay tuned. It's Key Life Trading. And while you're waiting, smash that like button and smash that subscribe button. Do that for me, please. Thank you. So I'll be back. So I'm looking at MOTS. It look like it's holding levels, and it look like it want to go up. Well, let's see. Just gonna keep an eye on this one for now. I'm also looking to take a trade on Snap. I don't know how it wants to react. I think I might take a short on it. Oh shit. Sorry about the language. I didn't even have it typed in. Look like I want to take a short on it. Let's see if there's any weakness. But the same thing, like I said, guys, if I see a setup and I'm taking a trade, then I'll start this back. So BRB. So I'm gonna do potential long. Let's see. Yeah, the price action go. Potential long though. Let's see. I want to see how price action balance out. And this is just for a quick profit. Nothing. If I see price action looking like it wants to continue going down, if I do enter the trade, then I'll just take profit. But if it look like it wanna hold, then I'll potentially just hold the position. Just want to see if I can get a good entry. But this could potentially be a quick scalp trade. So the key area I'm looking for to hold is within like this range. So 12, 122.50. We'll see how well it holds up. I'm gonna take a long and see how it goes. There's some potential support there. We'll just see how it reacts. And it's gonna be tight stop. So let's see if it's gonna retest that on 123. And let's see how it reacts within that price range. Can it break that 123? That's a potential play. Let's see. 84, 83. Will it give it another chance, another test? It looked like it's trying to hold up. It's showing some support. Let's see. Come on. Let's go. Let's make this money. I'm looking for it to break this 123. We should get that test. Nice strength. Come on, let's go. Yes, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Can we break that? It's gonna break or it's gonna reject. So let's put that 123. Come on, let's break it. 595. Reading level 2s. Nice. Retesting that area, but we can't resist. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go. We potentially get $100 out of this. Come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. I'll take that. So 51.20. There's a little bit of resistance. I was looking for it to continue to go up. So First trade, $51.20. Cool. And that's it for you guys. One trade, and I will be continuing to trade a little bit more, but I'm just showing you guys how I trade each and every day. And that's it, guys. So please, if you like this content, the video content, please smash that like button, smash that subscribe button. And I was looking to make $100 off of it, but at the end of the day, remember, this is a small account and each base hit counts, right? Yesterday I made 50, today I made 51. What is that? $100 in 2 days. So now I have more buying power to make more money, and it is what it is, guys. So thanks for tuning in. If you like the content, again, please put it in the comment section. Please put it in the, well, show me by liking the video and also subscribing to the channel. All right? So it's Key Life Trading. Peace, and have a wonderful trading day. All right? Peace.